Welcome to Hyde headquarters, in the heart of Yatala, Brisbane, Australia. It's here where innovation meets precision. Welcome to Hyde exterior covers, where stainless steel perfection is born. Inside our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, precision-engineered 316 stainless steel takes shape. Every cut, every bend, every welded edge is crafted by advanced robotic systems for flawless accuracy. With the utmost attention to every detail, they are polished and packed. It's here where your next Hyde Inlay Kit comes to life. This is Australian-made excellence, engineered for durability, designed for beauty, and built to be perfectly hidden in your landscape. Hyde is a seamless blend of technology, craftsmanship, and innovation. Here, more than 50 unique access cover sizes are produced, including Skimmer Lids, drain covers, and landscape access covers. Each is manufactured with unmatched precision, ready for projects worldwide. From Australia and New Zealand to North America, the UK and Europe to the Middle East, Hyde is redefining what it means to finish your landscape beautifully, adding safety, improved aesthetics, longevity, and ease of access to exterior service points in projects across the globe. Hyde, Australian innovation, engineered to perfection.